Welcome back. This is the no dig, and these are the beetroot. So what we're going to do is give away a lot of this beetroot because we can't eat them all. So I pulled some out already. There you can see. And I'm just going to pull some more. Nice big one. Baby one. Another baby one. And let's do another row. There's 3 together. You clean them up. Well, just make them sort of more presentable. So here's a beetroot. It's got all the stems. It's got the roots. So you literally hold the stem like so. Hold it firmly. Hold the beetroot. Twist both in opposite directions and pull. There is your beetroot. The roots, of course, you can pull the root off, and there you go. That's another beetroot ready to go in the pile. If you want to see what I've done before, then have a look here. And that's what we're aiming to do, just to clean them up so they can be just washed, peeled, and prepared in whatever way you prefer. Let's do another few. You get the hang of it. Quite simple, straightforward. Beetroot, grasp the stem, grasp the beetroot, twist and pull. And the roots, you literally just pull, and there you have it. One beetroot. Lovely. And another one. So I'm not going to bore you with this, just do one more. Hold the stem, hold the fruit. Is it a fruit? I think it's a root vegetable. Yeah, let's get it right. It's a root vegetable. Anyway, so you grasp the stem, you grasp the root vegetable, the beetroot, twist in opposite directions and pull firmly, and there you go. One beetroot, nice and ready. You can pull the roots off, of course. There you go. And as you can see, there's some we did earlier. Here is a rundown of some of the harvests we have been able to achieve in 2025. This is lettuce and strawberries. They did quite well. Here we have more lettuce and young tomatoes. This is a squash, a spaghetti squash, and raspberries. Tomatoes, beautiful tomatoes. And then we had cabbages. Here's a lovely cabbage, freshly picked. And there is a combination of tomatoes, and there's a pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkins. We had about 6. Raspberries, they keep coming and coming, and they're now finished. And there is another collection there of potatoes, cucumbers, and then we have tomatoes, corn. There we have some more cabbages. And these are the potatoes. These are the potatoes. So again, the rum shack stands. The apples didn't do very well year 3. Hopefully we will get some better ones next year, which are going to be more edible. Then we have a beetroot. We've been picking a lot of beetroot. This is all going to charity. We can't eat them all, so we're giving them away. Simple as that. And this is the bee central. This is where the bees come for their sustenance. So there's usually flowers and plants and stuff. There's the no dig section. Only beetroot is left just at the back there. There's beetroot. Still more beetroot. Tomatoes did very well. Now that it's this time of the year, they're all going off, as you can see. There's some more beetroot at the back there which we need to pull. There's also my DIY carrot box. Had some good carrots out there. Not sure there's any more carrots left in there now. Let's take a quick look. Yep, pulled them all out. So no carrots until next year. Moving down the plot, we've covered this section. We did very well on raspberries this year, extremely well. It just keeps coming and coming and coming. Anyway, so we've covered up these plots because we don't do much over the winter. We still have some more cabbages to pull. More cabbages. Rhubarb is always there. Beans, they didn't do very well. And this plot is also going to be covered up. This plot was potatoes, which is now completely covered. Ready for next year. We're going to rotate, so we may put something else on there. And then we come to the tunnel. The tunnel did very well. There's still a lot of tomatoes in here. As you can see, some lovely big tomatoes. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely tomatoes. Still doing very well. This is all going to be cleaned up. Here's some pumpkin that we had from one of the plots. That's just two of many that we had. And also we have I think this is a spaghetti squash, some other squashes, and then there's some more beetroot. We also had some peppers, and still have peppers. Yeah, we've still got peppers. Oh, there we go. So that's it from 7B. And next year, we'll just do it all over again. So stay tuned. That's all for now from 7B.